Here is a Mazda CX-5. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and get started. Now this feature is not on the front doors, only on the rear doors. So for now, let's get started with the right side door. Open the door and right there you'll find a switch. It even says lock on it with the arrow pointing downwards. So push that switch down and now the feature is activated. Now even while the feature is activated, I can still open the door from outside. I just cannot open the door from inside now. So let's try this out. See, no matter what I do, I cannot open the door from inside. But guess what? We only activate the feature on the right side door, right? So I'm going to open up the left side door and get out from over there. And now let's open this door and deactivate the feature by pushing the switch up. And now we should be able to open the door from outside as well as from inside. Let's try this out. Cannot open, that's good. Unlock, and now I should be able to open it. And I can. Let's try this feature for the left side door now. Same process, same everything. There is a switch over there. Push it down to activate the feature. Push it down. And now, again, I can open the door from outside. Inside though, I should not be able to open the door. Nope. See, no matter what I do, I cannot open the door. But again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out from the right side door, because you have to activate this feature on both the doors individually. So if you've got a kid in the back seat over here, make sure you activate the feature individually for both the doors, so the kid doesn't just slide to the other side and just open the door and accidentally and get out. So open the door for now. Open this left side door. Deactivate the feature by pushing the switch up. And now I should be able to open the door from inside as well. Lock, cannot open. Unlock, I should be able to, and I can. That's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.